How much would you pay for a beer? That's next on Beer Culture Moment. How much would you be willing to spend on a beer? Cheers. Back when I started brewing all grain beer, I usually calculated about 21 cents a bottle for my Kolsch. Now I'm paying about 39 cents a bottle, so things have definitely gone up, but that's over about an 8-year period. If you've been watching my videos since 2013 or so, you probably know that I'm pretty cheap and I don't like to spend a lot on beer, and I really avoid buying commercial beer. And basically, it's going to cost 4 times more to buy a commercial beer in a case than it is to brew your own. But what's your limit on buying beer from a cost perspective? 4, 5, 6, 7, 10 bucks? Well, you know, I suppose some of it depends on the circumstances. If you're at a ball game, for instance, and it's very hot, and you go to the concession stand, and beer is going to cost you $10 for a draft, you're probably going to drink it. You might complain a lot, but you're probably going to drink it. In a few seconds, though, that $10 beer is going to sound pretty cheap. So let's talk about Allsop's Ale. That was brewed in Staffordshire, England, for an expedition led by explorer Sir George Nares back in 1875. After some old stock was discovered, though, it went to auction. And the auctioneer had hoped to get around $1,000 for the bottle of beer. But it actually ended up going for $5,000. But that's not where the story ends. On eBay, a bottle of Allsop's Ale listed and started out the bidding at $1. But before the auction was over, it had gone up to $503,300. It's over $500,000. Now, whether that sale really ever concluded in money being transferred is a big mystery. But even at $5,000, it makes that $10 beer look pretty reasonable now, doesn't it? And that's our Beer Culture Moment. This has been a Matty Boy presentation. Say bye-bye, Matty.
Bye-bye.